Trail running is about running in the forest, not setting a personal best. You don't even need a watch to keep track of the time. Just run. Just so you know, there are mainly two different kinds of trail running. Geeks like me distinguishes between what we call technical and non-technical trails. The technical trails are usually narrow, dirty or on rocky paths that offers a bit of a challenge to the runner. Non-technical trails are paved, gravel, or dirt roads that are generally easy to run on. What do you need to start? Shoes. Road shoes work fine for the first short runs in the woods. But soon you'll need a pair of trail running shoes. Shoes that have a stronger, protective sole and stability than ordinary road shoes. Clothing. You should choose clothes with a tight fit and something that you don't mind getting dirty or snagged. Water bottle. If you are planning a longer run than 1 hour, you need to bring something to drink. A favorite among trail runners is the handheld water bottle, that straps to the hand and has additional pouches for things like keys, ID, and power bars. But you can also use the camelback or bottle belt. It is important to have both your hands free when you are out trail running in case you trip and fall.